Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Himanshu and this is the second video related to page layout. So the only options that we have left with was print titles, and this is something very important. And okay, so I'm pressing Ctrl P in order to have the print preview. You may see this is the first page and this is the title, name, unit test, weightage. This title will not be able to see in the second page. So due to this we face many problems. Also third and fourth page, in the fifth page you may see this total is coming and column is not repeating. So neither the row or not the column is repeating where it's required. So if you want the row and column to be repeat, so in order to do that you need to go to print titles, and this is something very easy. You need to go to the row to repeat at top, set your cursor over here and then select the row. Then column to repeat at left, set your cursor over here and select the column. That's it. Click on OK, Ctrl P, and you may see in the first page, yes, it is before that also it was there in the first page. In the second page also you may see the title, so that particular row is getting repeated. Third, fourth, and the individual column which was coming, now name is in front of it, means the row is also getting repeated. So this is something very useful. Also let's talk about the pattern. The pattern, the way it is getting printed is down then over, means this is the first page and the second page is just downwards the first page. I don't want the printing to be happen like this. I want this is the first page and this is has to be the second page, not down then over, but I want it over then down. So you need to go to print titles, and here it's, you may see down then over, then go for the option of over then down. Click on OK, Ctrl P, and you may see this is the first page and the second page is going to be this one. So this is how you may convert down then over to over then down. Now the next option is header and footer option. If you are not aware of it, header is some text or it can be logo also. This is something which is getting repeated in every page. Footer is in the foot area of the document or in this particular spreadsheet, and it is also getting repeated. So as a footer and header we may give a title or generally page numbers also. So how to do that? For that you need to go to print titles and you may see this option of header and footer. So go to header and footer and there you may see none is selected. There are plenty more options, predefined options, so you may go for any of the option which you like page numbers. If function means the sheet name, it's confidential, that today's date and page 1 in this format. Function data means the file name. So I'm going for, let's say, simple if function. This is the sheet name. I want it to be repeated as a header in each page. As a footer I have given this page number pattern. Click on OK, Ctrl P, and you may see if function above here and page number also as a footer. You may see that this is getting repeated. Now there is one option of customizing header and footer as well. How to do that? For that you need to go to print titles. If you want to remove the header and footer, go to these options and select none. Go to the option of footer and select none once again. However, this time I want the footer to be in the customized manner. So I will go to custom footer and there are 3 sections: left, center and right. So I'm going to write something by myself in the left section and I want it to be right in one particular format. So there is this option of format text. Click on this. I've select the color which I want. I've made it bold and the size 12. Okay, that's sufficient. Okay, and here I'm typing www. I've set my cursor on the center section. I want the page numbers to come, and these are the option of insert number of pages, and this is insert page number. So I'm going to write it like this: page of total number of pages. Also, this is the option of insert date. This is for time, so insert date space insert time. This is for file path. This means this file is where, means in the C document, in the C drive, my document, then under which folder that complete path will come as a footer or header if you will opt for this option. This is the file name will come. This is the sheet name will come, we have seen it previously, and this is the image option. However, I've set my cursor in the right section and I want to give the image. If you're going for the image option, make sure that it should be in the small size. Don't expect it from Excel that if you have given it as a header and footer, then a big image will be converted into small image and will be presented as a header or footer. You will have to crop it by yourself. So click on insert picture. Now these are very big pictures, I can't give that. I'm going to desktop and search for any image if it's small in size. Okay, I am getting this logo. Okay, that's small in size. Okay, I have made the selection. Click on OK. Click on OK once again. Control P, and you may see it's looking nice. As a footer, whatever option I have opted for, they are coming. So these are the option of print titles. Now one more thing, I've told you that as a background, if you want to give an image, there's one peculiar way of that. Means straightforward, if you have opted for background and if you have selected an image, that can be viewable, but that's not printable. So how you may give an image in the background? So for that, there is one trick. Go to insert, select the shape in which you want the image to come. So I've gone for a rectangle and I want that shape to be in this particular area. Okay, then you need to right click on image and there you will find the option of format shape. Click on format shape and there you will find the option of picture or texture fill. Click over here and insert from file. Click on file, select the image that you want to give. I'm going to picture, sample pictures. Okay, I have selected this particular image and here you may see the option of transparency. That's the complete trick. Increase the transparency, you may see the changes over here and I want to keep it okay, that's fine, and click on close. You may see a border into it and there will be one format tab option. Go to shape outline and click on no outline. Control P and now you may see that this is coming a kind of watermark. So this is the option, this is, you may say, one of the trick through which you may get an image in the background. So this is all about page layout and print related options. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.